Hey guys, welcome to LearnBase Reviews. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of NuroClean spray and checking whether NuroClean.com is legit or a scam. So, NuroClean is marketed as a modern, eco-friendly, all-purpose cleaning solution made from concentrated tablets you dissolve in water to clean multiple surfaces: kitchens, bathrooms, grease, mold, upholstery, promised to replace bulky bottles. The claim, powerful enough to melt through grease and grime with no harsh chemicals. Now let's look at the evidence and warnings. On the legit side, independent reviewers tried it and found the tablet system and reusable spray bottle concept interesting and environmentally minded. Some surfaces cleaned noticeably with less residue. However, there are serious red flags about the website brand. According to scam checkers like Scam Advisor, NuroClean.com uses high-pressure sales tactics, countdown timers, bulk buy promos, was newly registered October 2024, and has questionable site ownership to transparency. User review summaries show many complaints: long shipping delays, hidden extra charges in checkout, e.g., extra warranties you didn't ask for, underwhelming performance on tougher stains, and weak customer service/refund experience. On major retailer platforms, e.g., a listing found via Walmart, the product exists and is sold, which is a positive sign for product availability. Bottom line, NuroClean is not clearly a scam. Yes, you'll likely get something, and the cleaner may work reasonably on light tasks, but it is high risk. The combination of overhyped claims, website red flags, and inconsistent results mean you should proceed with caution. If you decide to try it, use a payment method with buyer protection. Order only a small quantity first. Don't expect miracle performance on heavy stains. Be prepared for possible shipping/return headaches. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.